Most learners think that C2 English is about using long words or fancy phrases. It's not. Real C2 is about control, subtlety, and intention. It's about knowing exactly what to say, and sometimes what not to say. You don't need to impress anyone with vocabulary. You need to convey your ideas with precision, clarity, and natural confidence. Notice how native speakers don't exaggerate. They soften their stance with subtle hedges, like to some extent or kind of. That's real mastery. It's not flashy, it's deliberate. It's knowing how to imply meaning without over-explaining and how to make your point without forcing attention to yourself. For example, consider this. Non-C2 English might sound like, I would like to emphasize the significance of this phenomenon. Formal, correct, but stiff, unnatural. A C2 speaker would simply say, this actually matters more than people think. Same idea, far more effective. Natural, confident, effortless. Here are 3 golden rules for sounding genuinely C2. 1. Understate, don't exaggerate. 2. Imply, don't over-explain. 3. Stay relaxed even when discussing complex ideas. Master these, and your English stops being about correctness and starts being about intention. Try saying this sentence in a C2 way, not a smart way. If it feels uncomfortable, that's exactly where mastery begins. Because real C2 English is not what you say, it's how you carry it, how you breathe it, how it lands. And when you get it right, it looks simple, effortless. But every word, every pause, every subtle gesture is deliberate. That's what C2 English actually sounds like.